Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data into Elasticsearch using Kafka Connect step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that both Kafka and Elasticsearch are properly installed and running on your system. Begin by downloading the Kafka Connect Elasticsearch connector from the Confluent Hub. Unzip the downloaded file into your Kafka installation directory. Navigate to the config directory within your Kafka installation. Create a new configuration file for the Elasticsearch sync connector. In this configuration file, specify the connector class as org.apache.kafka.connect.elasticsearch.elasticsearch sync connector. Set the tasks.max property to define the number of tasks that can run in parallel. Add the topics property to indicate which Kafka topics to read from. Next, specify the connection.url property with the URL of your Elasticsearch server. Configure the type.name property to define the document type in Elasticsearch. Include the key.converter property, setting it to org.apache.kafka.connect.storage.stringConverter if your keys are strings. Add the value.converter property, using org.apache.kafka.connect.json.json converter for JSON data. Set value.converter.configure to include schemas.enable set to false for easier integration. After completing the configuration, save the file and return to your Kafka installation directory. Start the Kafka Connect worker by executing the appropriate command in your terminal. Use the Kafka Connect REST API to submit the connector configuration you created. Post the configuration using a curl command or any REST client tool to the Kafka Connect API endpoint. Monitor the logs for any errors and ensure that the connector starts successfully. Once the connector is running, send test data to the specified Kafka topic. Verify that the data appears in Elasticsearch by querying the index you configured. Celebrate your successful data transfer by checking both Kafka and Elasticsearch for proper integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.